Hey y'all, big news coming out of the Lone Star State today. If you're from Texas, you know just how big our state is, literally and figuratively. And when Texans unite for a cause, boy, do we see results. I'm here to share some exciting news for everyone in San Antonio and beyond. After years of only connecting flights, we finally have a direct route to Washington, D.C. Now, why is this such a big deal, you ask? Let me break it down for you. Imagine this. No more layovers in Dallas or Houston, no more rushing through crowded airports to catch that connecting flight. This direct flight is not just a win for convenience, but a testament to our community's persistence. For years, the people of San Antonio lobbied, petitioned, and did not give up on the dream of a direct flight to the nation's capital. This victory means more than just saving time. It's about accessibility, it's about strengthening our connections to the heart of political power in the US, and it's about economic opportunities that come with streamlined travel. So, what does this mean for you? Well, whether you're a business owner, a student, a political aficionado, or just someone who loves to travel, this new route opens a world of possibilities. Easier access to DC means we're more plugged into the decisions and changes happening right at the forefront of our nation. And let's not forget the celebrations. Communities across San Antonio have been hosting parties, BBQs, and even parades to mark this achievement. It's a testament to Texan spirit. When we put our minds to something, we get it done. So, my fellow Texans, let's take a moment to celebrate this triumph together. Here's to fewer layovers, more direct connections, and the power of community. San Antonio to DC, direct, we did it. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to stay connected, stay informed, and as always, keep flying high Texas style. Catch y'all next time.